In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Accounting Software UK. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, connect your bank, create invoices and bills, reconcile transactions, manage payroll if you employ staff, and generate the key reports you need to run a UK business with confidence. First, head to Xero and create your account. Choose the United Kingdom as your region, set your organization name and base currency to GBP, and confirm your financial year start date. If you're VAT registered, select your VAT scheme and default tax rates so Xero applies VAT correctly from day one. Make sure you verify your email and turn on two-step authentication for security. In the organization settings, add your business address and logo so your documents look professional from the start. Next, from the accounting menu, open bank accounts to connect your bank. Search for your bank, follow the secure open banking prompts, and choose the specific account to link. Confirm the correct start date so you import the right history. If your bank doesn't support a live feed, you can still import statements via CSV. Once connected, consider setting a bank default account and review the feed daily or weekly to keep things tidy. Now create invoices and bills. For sales, open the Invoices screen, add your customer, dates, and payment terms, then enter line items with tracking categories if you use them. Apply the correct UK VAT rate such as Standard, Reduced, or Xero. You can attach files, add payment services like card payments to get paid faster, and send the invoice directly from Xero. For purchases, use bills to record what you owe suppliers, attach receipts, assign the right expense accounts in VAT, and approve them so they're ready for payment. Make reconciliation a habit. In the Reconcile screen, match each bank transaction to an invoice, bill, or spend receive money. If Xero suggests a match, review the details and confirm. For regular items like subscriptions, set up bank rules so Xero pre-fills the contact, account code, and VAT. Reconciling frequently keeps your cash position accurate and your VAT reports clean. If you have employees, set up payroll. Enter your payroll settings, add employees with their pay details and statutory information, set pay calendars, and connect to HMRC for required submissions. Run pay runs, approve pay slips, and post the journals to your accounts. Don't forget pension setup and auto-enrollment if it applies. Finally, generate reports. Open reports to view profit and loss, balance sheet, aged receivables and payables, cash summary, and VAT return for making tax digital. Filter by date, compare periods, save favorites, and publish reports to lock them in. With these steps, you're ready to run your books in Xero the right way.